So excited to put you through this circuit today. Have fun. Okay, butt kicks. I want you to go for 20 seconds. Let's get rolling. Butt kicks are killer for getting your heart rate up, but they also provide a nice dynamic stretch for your quadriceps. Focus on your breathing, match your breath to the movements. Do not hold your breath. Okay, done, moving on. Nice, now jog in place. Let's go for 20 seconds. Let's get rolling. Keep the body fluid, keep the body in motion, keep that heart rate going. Jog in place. 10 seconds. Literally, we're just jogging in place. Just keep a nice pace, keep your body moving, keep that heart rate up. And done. Let's move on. Okay, alternating single arm burpees. Let's go for 20 seconds. Begin. Before jumping up, make sure your bum is down and chest is up. Whenever doing jump moves, you want to be sure that it's one fluid movement. Excellent, moving on. Okay, 180 mountain climbers, bust them out. Let's go for 20 seconds. Let's get rolling. Keep your spine straight. Don't set or plant the feet. Keep it moving in, out, in, out. Okay, done, moving on. Now, plank jacks. Go for 20 seconds. Let's get rolling. With any cardio interval, to accelerate the intensity, simply pick up your pace. You got 10 seconds left. Excellent, moving on. Zig Zag Jumps, hit it. Let's bang it out, 20 seconds. Okay, let's go. You're doing great. Keep moving. To make it harder, pick up the pace. Land softly. Excellent. Next one. Here we go. Alternating knee thrusts, front. Go for 20 seconds. And we're off. I don't want you to pick up the knee. I want you to thrust the knee. You got 10 seconds left. Use your abs. Big exhale on the thrust. Okay, nice work. Let's go to the next one. On deck, skaters. Go for 20 seconds. Okay, get started. I want you to move through as wide of a range of motion as possible. Keep it up, you're doing great. Perfect. Next exercise. Everest Climbers, let's do it. Hit it for 20 seconds. Okay, get started. You got 10 seconds left. Perfect. Let's go to the next exercise. On deck, plank with knee tuck jumps. Go for 20 seconds. All right, go. Jump your knees up to the chest and then thrust them back to return to the start position. 10 seconds. let's move on. On deck, behind the back jacks. Go for 20 seconds. Okay, get started. Make sure that you're giving me a full clap above your head and behind your back. You got 10 seconds left. I love this move because it's a greater range of motion than a traditional jumping jack. Good, that one's done. Moving on. Speed bag, hit it. Crush this for 20 seconds. You ready? Let's begin. Speed bag is a nice upper body cardio interval when your lower body needs a break. Focus on your breathing. You can do this. Good. Next exercise. Okay, jump rope. Dig in here. Crush this for 20 seconds. And go. Make sure to synergize your upper and lower body as though you're really jumping rope. You got 10 seconds left. Focus on your breathing. Super duper insane, amazing, awesome.